parents, dear children, how are you? I hope that we all are fine. I am also fine. Have a nice day. Children, already you all are learned polar region. Polar region located 6600 degrees north latitude to North Pole, 6600 degrees south latitude to South Pole. This region in the world is called polar region. In other words, the region is located nearest the poles. That means South Pole and North Pole. Region is called polar region. Polar region again divided into two types: cold polar region and polar region. Polar region and cold polar region. Already we all have learned important points of that lesson. Now discuss about question and answers. The important questions given here. First one, where is polar region located? Polar region is located nearest the poles. On the north, on the south is called a polar region. Here climate is very bitterly. That means very cool. Yearly it is formed ice blocks. This region look like a icy ridges on the south part of the polar region. Second, what is meant by tundra? The northern part of Arctic Circle to North Pole. This region is called tundra region. Tell me children, where to locate into the tundra region? The tundra region located Arctic Circle to North Pole. The important countries are located in tundra region are Canada, Alaska, Greenland, northern part of Russia and Siberia. These places are covered the tundra region. Now going to third one. Explain the seasons of polar region. How many seasons in polar region? There are two seasons in polar region: summer season and winter season. In winter season nearly consists of 9 months. In summer season only have a 3 months. Here the sunrises are fall slantly, so almost of all year very dark and cold, bitterly cold here. In coming to November, December and January, the 3 months are winter. very cool. Here formed a large ice blocks. Summer season. In summer season start in the months of February and March. In the 2 months, and the sunrises are fall a little bit. Here have a much lighting. Only 2 months. In summer season, to grow different plants. That means floating plants are to grow in summer season. Tell me, children, how many seasons in polar region? There are 2 seasons: winter season and summer season. When summer season, the February and March, the 2 months are coming to the lighting only this region. Okay? Are you able to understand? Okay, let's go into another one. Write about Eskimos. Eskimos are live in a tundra region. Where do Eskimos live? Eskimos are lived in a tundra region. Eskimos mean snow shoe netter. Snow shoe netter. They are lived groups wise. Each groups nearly 100 to 500 members. The major recreations of Eskimos are racing, westerlies, and harpoon throwing. There are 2 types of groups: Inuit and Yupiks. Inuit mean their language. The 2 types of groups are lived in the tundra region: Inuits and Yupiks. They are going to one place to another place, usually with small boats. It is called kayaks. They are usually the cart. It is called a sledge. It is made with to taken to one place to another place to usually with dogs. The major occupations of the Eskimos are hunting and fishing. What are the major occupations of Eskimos? Hunting and fishing. They are hunt polar bear. They are catching different type of fishes like whales, seals. They are lived. Shelter is called igloo. Igloo means their language shelter. It is made with ice blocks and animal skin. Now going to another one. What are the major diets of Eskimos? Meat, fish, and fat. Meat, fish, and fat are the major diets of Eskimos. They are always to take for food meat and fish and fat-only items of the animals. They are not eating vegetables because here scanty. Scanty means very low. That means it is not available here. So vegetables are not eating their diet. Lastly, write about the religious beliefs and recreations of Eskimos. Religious beliefs of Eskimos are they are worshipped the natural forces like Sheila and different goddesses for they are offering for the food and different items. Recreations. The most important recreations of Eskimos are westerling, racing, and harpoon throwing are the major recreations of Eskimos. They are spending evening time storytelling, singing a different songs, and played a different musical instruments, dancing collectively performed women's and men's are the major recreations of the Eskimos. Okay, these are the most important questions from this lesson. Where is polar region? What is meant by tundra? Explain the seasons of the polar region. Write about the Eskimos. What are the major dates of Eskimos? Write about the religious beliefs and recreations of the Eskimos. Stay home. Be safe. Thank you. Thank you very much. Watch my videos. Thank you.